Hey y'all. So today we are gonna make a creamy garlic chicken in a Parmesan sauce with rotini pasta. Now let's get into it. Okay, so you want to start by preparing your rotini pasta according to the instructions on the box, and you want to make it al dente. I'm gonna cube about 2 pounds of chicken breast. Okay, and it should look like that, cut up in cubes. I love garlic, so I went to 6 garlic cloves and minced it up. Look like that. Okay, now you want to heat a skillet and use about 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. And I will leave the recipe in the description box below. All right, now you want to add your minced garlic until it's aromatic. You can smell just the goodness from the butter and the garlic. And you want to add your chicken until they're nice and golden on each side. Maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now that the chicken is done, I am going to mince 6 cloves of garlic and 3 tablespoons of butter. All right, so now I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of white cooking wine. I'm gonna use about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay, you want to turn your heat down to medium. Gonna add some garlic. Some white pepper. Some sea salt. I'm gonna let this simmer until it thickens. Okay, so now you want to add about a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And allow the sauce to thicken. Okay, now the sauce is thickening. So my sauce is done nice and thick. Now it's up to you. You can add your rotini pasta directly to the sauce, or you can plate it by putting your rotini pasta and then pouring the sauce over it in the chicken. So I was able to fit it all in the same pan. So, and you know I add parsley to everything because it has to be pretty, okay? So here we have it. All right, and I'm gonna plate it and give y'all that special test. And now for the taste test. This is so good. It's so creamy. I forgot to give y'all a bite. I'm so sorry. Take a bite. Here's some pasta. Open wide. Isn't it yummy? This just make you want to dance, okay? Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Why don't y'all leave me a comment below and give me some ideas of maybe some dishes you want to see me make that you see a recipe for, and just send me maybe the name of the recipe or something like that, and see what I can whip up for you. Like I said, I always try to give you guys easy meals. I know it's a lot of working people out there and you want something quick, but you want to feed your family, or you just want to feed yourself, but you want something tasty. So that's what I'm here trying to do for you guys. So please give this video a thumbs up, share it out, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.